Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Teacher Yudel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ang tatalakayin natin ngayong araw na to ay common dance terminologies of the Philippine folk dance. So before we start our discussion, I would like you all to prepare yourself and listen carefully. And after this, I will give you a activity about the Philippine common dance terminologies of the Philippine folk dance. So I will open my PowerPoint presentation first. Fasten yung seatbelt, sit and relax lang, and ayan, mamaya didiscuss ko na sa inyo yung mga iba't ibang mga nakuha po na common dance terminologies in the Philippine folk dance. So ayan, open na natin. Ano na ba kayo yan? So common dance terminologies, ladies and gentlemen. So, next. Ayan, so ano yung nakikita nyo sa picture na yan? So ano nakikita nyo? So ano nasa isip nyo yung picture na yan? Ano ulit? Pag-comment ang inyong sagot. Alright. How about this? Okay. Alright, so mali yan. So that is should be an arms in lateral position. Okay. And that, yung lalaki na sa picture na yan, ay isang lateral arms in lateral position. And how about this? Alright, very good. So that is brush. Brush is a weight on one foot, hit the floor with the ball or heel or other foot, and lift the foot from the floor or any direction. So yung paa po dapat kailangan natin yung isa kapag nakatayo ang nakahap ang isa, tapos ang isa naman ay nasa floor, touch the floor. Kailangan yung weight natin ay kine-carry naman nung nasa left foot natin or right foot. Depends on you kung anong gagamitin natin na right or left kapag tayo ay nagbabrush. Okay? Kung saan papunta kayo sa right or papunta kayo sa left position. Next, ano nakikita sa picture na to? Yung dalawa at lalaki at babae, ano nakikita sa picture? Ano ulit? Very good. That is bilao. Bilao, to turn palms on hand up and down, alternately hand and waist level in front. Gumagano'n po yan. Okay? Ang tawag po dito ay bilao. Okay? Elbows close to waist. Dapat kailangan yung elbow natin ay medyo malapit sa ating waistline. So, ano ito yung babae nakikita natin dyan? Okay? Yung picture na yan, nakikita yung dalawang babae. Ano ulit? Anong sagot? Alright, cabeceras, very good. The couples occupying the width of the ball and in the hall, and the dancers are the square formation. So, ibig sabihin na may intersection each other, nag-exchange kayo into opposite position. Okay? Nag-exchange po kayo. Okay? Very good. So, ang tawag dyan ay cabeceras. And how about this picture? Ano yan? Alright, tama kayo lahat. So, ang tawag dyan ay clockwise. No? Ang clockwise formation, it lies the motion on the hands of the clock for your right shoulder is toward the center of imaginary circle. Okay, kapag tayo ay iikot using your right shoulder, ayan, patalikod, lilikod tayo, gano'n. Pag counter-clock, should be clockwise, okay? Clockwise. Palakpakan ng sarili, children, okay? Clockwise. How about this? Ang tawag dyan ay tama. That should be counterclockwise. Ang counterclockwise, it should be reverse direction of clockwise, your left shoulder naman. Okay, gagamitin natin yung ating left shoulder pabalik doon sa dati nating pinag-ikutan kanina, no? The movement is toward right when facing center in the circle area. Okay? So, panoorin natin itong video na to. Ayan. Ayan, medyo nagkaroon ng unsupported file. So, next natin. So, ang tawag yun ay costados, no? Ang costados is a couple occupying the length of the hall when dancers are square formation side pair. Ang tawag po dun ay costados. Okay, yan ang tawag dyan ay cross arms. Okay? Cross arms, nag-exchange kayo ng inyong bawat kamay. Okay, cross arms is a partner facing each other or standing side by side. Join your left hand and your right hand together, either your right over your left or left over your right hand. Kahit saan dyan, gaganyan-ganyan kayo. Okay? Should be is cross arms. Okay, yan po. Okay, ang tawag dun ay cut. Cut displays quickly one foot to other. Okay? Kinakat natin yung ating movement. Okay? Yung yung weight mo ay kinakat mo. Okay? So yung step formation kailangan yung dance footwork mo kailangan naka-up yung right, then yung baba naman is naka-down, then yung up, yung left naman ngayon natataas, patalikod, at saka baba naman ay naka-down. Okay? So, your activity would be observe this video. Okay, message in the comment below section the common dance steps in the Philippine folk dance and video yourself and upload in via Messenger. Okay, so, ayan, i-play din yung video. Ayan, panoorin pa natin. Ayan, manood po tayo. Panoorin pa natin itong video na to. Pag yun. Ayan, sorry, medyo nagkaroon ng technicalities ng ating video. So, i-search na natin tong video na to, then yan. Ayan natin ulit mayroon pang separate video. Short lang tong video na to. Ayan, observe din yung mga common dance terminologies yung kanyang ina-incorporate. I-send ko na lang sa inyo yung link. I-send ko na lang pala sa inyo yung link. Then, after this, you please comment your observations into the comment down below. Okay? So, thank you so much. And once again, bye-bye. See you on next week.